Hey everyone, this is Mohammed from King Wireless and Repair. Welcome to another video. Today's video we're gonna work on Xbox Series S, the Slim Edition. So the customer bring it here for the HDMI port. The HDMI port, as you can see, is broken right here. So we're gonna replace the HDMI port. So this is a pretty easy job. I just wanna make a video for you. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. As you can see, the points looks good. Okay, all the points looks good, and just the port by itself is broken. So I'm not gonna heat from this side, I'm gonna heat from the back side. So we're gonna heat from this side and take out the HDMI, broken HDMI port. Then we'll put it the new one on. So before we take out, let me put a little bit flux on it, so that way the solder get a little bit melt easier. So, and we're gonna put the flux on the points right here, so that way it get melt easier. So always use the flux when you take out any component from the board or put the new one on it. And the airspeed on 70, that's help a lot to take out the HDMI port very easily. So always remember one thing: don't force down the HDMI. Just heat one time, and if when it's get loose, it will came off easily. Otherwise, it's gonna rip off all the points from the front side, and you have to make all the jumpers again and again. Okay, it's getting loose right now. So now I'm gonna start the other side also. It's get melted. You see right here, get melted. There you go. So just move it around, and then we're gonna put a little bit heat from this side right here, and then we're gonna pick up. There you go. So you can see all the points are good. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of flux on it. There you go. So I have the big knife on it. Gonna just reflow a little bit right here. You can see that all the points are good now. We're gonna add a little bit solder. Let's add some solder to the ground points. There you go. And you have to put this little bit solder on these points also, because these are also attached to the HDMI and is keep the HDMI in one place. This is a quick method which I'm using it, so we don't have to put solder after putting the HDMI port. It's gonna be soldered in one shot. Let's clean up. So all the points looks good. There's enough solder on these points, and just gonna install the new HDMI port. Add a little bit flux right here. That way when it's melt, so the points get attached easily. So we're gonna hold this in my hand, and I'm gonna reflow all the points. Once everything gets melted out, then I'm gonna just put it inside. So everything looks melted right now, so let's put it inside. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Once the board get cooled down a little bit, then we're gonna take out the tweezer. There you go. It's just one shot. That's why I use the solder up front. There you go. You can see the points are good. See, all the points are attached and it looks clean. Let's go from back side. The points are solid from back. Let's do clean up a little bit, and then we're gonna put it back together and test it out. Hopefully you enjoy our videos. So if you like this videos also, please subscribe our channel, and if you need any repair from us, you can mail in your devices anytime. We'll fix it out and mail back to you. Let's clean up from this side.